You can now get a camera that's as easy to use as your smartphone, but takes pictures like a professional camera. Finding a good vlogging camera on a budget can be confusing because each camera is made for different types of people. In this video, I'll show you the best vlogging cameras for different styles of shooting, all at affordable prices. So, let's get started. First up is the Canon M50, a popular choice among vloggers because it offers great photo quality without being too expensive. It's small and sturdy, fitting comfortably in your hand. The camera is made of tough plastic with a grippy rubber finish that feels premium. Its touchscreen can be used for autofocus and adjusting settings like shutter speed and ISO, similar to using a smartphone. You can even connect it wirelessly to your phone to use as a remote monitor. Despite being a vlogging camera, it takes good photos and has decent internal audio. For better sound, you can connect an external microphone. The Canon M50 uses the older Canon M mount, which means there's a wide selection of affordable lenses available. It has a 24-megapixel sensor that's great for both photos and videos, capturing colors that are vibrant and true to life, especially for skin tones. Its autofocus is reliable with face and eye tracking, and the Mark II version offers even faster performance. In terms of video, it shoots in full HD at up to 60 frames per second for smooth motion, and though it can shoot in 4K, it's limited to 24 frames per second with a crop. For those interested in 4K at higher quality, you might consider the Canon R50, which offers sharper detail and clarity from downsampling 6K footage. Both cameras are also excellent for photography, with the Canon R50 shooting slightly faster at 12 to 15 frames per second compared to the M50's 10 frames per second. Overall, whether you're focused on vlogging or want a camera that excels in both photos and videos, the Canon M50 is a solid choice. If you're looking for even better video quality, consider checking out the Canon R50, which is slightly pricier but offers superior 4K capabilities. One of the best pocket-sized vlogging cameras available is also one of the most affordable on the market. This brand has aggressively lowered prices to outshine its competitors. It's the Sony ZV-1. This camera's physical design is perfect for on-the-go filming. It's compact enough to fit in your pocket and has a simple button to switch between photo, video, and slow motion. No confusing mode dial. There are separate buttons for photo and video recording, and it boasts a 3-capsule microphone built-in, delivering solid audio quality even in noisy environments. This built-in mic saves you money and keeps the camera pocket-sized, though you can add an external mic if needed. Unlike some cameras, it lacks an in-camera flash, but that's not necessarily a drawback as it performs admirably in low light. The ZV-1 features a side-articulating touchscreen that offers full touch control, including autofocus. Despite its small size, its battery life is impressive, lasting through a full day with intermittent use. What truly sets the ZV-1 apart is its exceptional image quality. Its 20-megapixel 1-inch sensor rivals proper cameras and outperforms most high-end smartphones. The built-in 24 to 70mm lens with a fast aperture of f1.8 to f2.8 enhances low-light performance and creates a beautiful background blur effect uncommon in point-and-shoot cameras. For video, the ZV-1 can shoot in 4K at 24 and 30 frames per second, and in full HD at 60 and 120 frames per second for slow motion, catering to vloggers, content creators, and social media enthusiasts alike. It even supports S-Log3 and Cinema profiles for professional-level color grading. Surprisingly, it excels at photography too, capturing photos at 24 frames per second, perfect for action shots and travel photography. If you want a pocket-sized vlogging camera that's also a powerhouse for photography, the Sony ZV-1 is an excellent choice. Currently, one of the most popular vlogging cameras is the Sony ZV-E10, which belongs to the same family as the Sony ZV-1 and ZV-2 cameras. It's well suited for both beginners and content creators with its user-friendly design. Like its siblings, it features a single button for switching between photo, video, and slow motion modes, along with a built-in 3-capsule microphone and separate buttons for photo and video recording. It also sports a similar side-articulating screen, though it primarily uses button controls rather than full-touch functionality like the ZV-1. However, if you prefer touchscreen controls, you can use the Sony Creator app to connect the ZV-E10 to your smartphone for wireless remote control and monitoring. Sony's updated app offers a robust touchscreen experience through your phone. The ZV-E10 stands out as an interchangeable lens camera with the Sony E mount, offering a wider range of lens options compared to the Canon M mount at an affordable price. Inside, the ZV-E10 boasts impressive specs for its price range, including a 24-megapixel APS-C size sensor renowned for its low-light performance, a rarity in cameras at this price point. Its autofocus is top-notch, known for speed and reliability, with excellent face and eye tracking capabilities, making it ideal for vloggers. Video-wise, it records in 4K at 24 and 30 frames per second, downsampling from 6K to maintain high quality in a manageable file size. It also supports Full HD at standard and slow motion speeds of 60 and 120 frames per second, alongside Log3 and Cinema profiles for advanced color grading and extended dynamic range. Surprisingly, the ZV-E10 excels as a photo camera too, capturing up to 10 frames per second with a generous buffer, making it suitable for social media and action photography. If you're seeking a budget-friendly vlogging camera without compromising on quality or features, the Sony ZV-E10 is an excellent choice, equally capable as a strong performer in both video and photography. Remember, each of these cameras offers unique strengths, whether it's exceptional video quality, advanced autofocus, or the flexibility of interchangeable lenses. Whichever camera you choose, you're sure to elevate your vlogging game to new heights. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the bell icon for more content like this. And be sure to check the links in the description for the latest prices and availability on these cameras. Thank you for watching, and happy vlogging!